What is an API? Every app on your phone uses them. Most people have no idea what they actually are. In 2 minutes, what an API is, how it works, and why it matters. Easiest way to think about it, an API is like a waiter at a restaurant. You sit at your table, you don't go into the kitchen, you tell the waiter what you want. The waiter brings it back. That's it. Now, translate. The waiter is the API. The kitchen is the server, where the actual work happens. You are an app asking for something. The waiter knows the menu and the right format to ask. Real example, you open Instagram. The app asks Instagram's server, what photos should I show this user? That ask is an API request. Every request has 4 parts. The address, a URL, the method, like get or post, the headers, who you are, and the body, what you want. The server reads it, runs the logic, and sends data back, usually in a format called JSON. Curly braces, key value pairs, your app parses it and shows you photos. Almost every modern app is just a polite conversation. Between APIs, weather, maps, Uber, banking, Spotify, all of them. Asking, answering, all day. Want to control your own data? You need APIs. Want to build apps? Same. Want to integrate 2 services? Same. Modern software is APIs. So that's an API, a polite structured conversation between 2 pieces of software. Now you know why every developer job asks for it. From zero. One tech basic explained from scratch every week. Subscribe for the next lesson.